Dr. Mbuyiseni Ndlozi abantu bathi ke man of the match etinyela umnumzane Cyril Ramaphosa isho nokusho ukuthi ke sola sengathi umnumzane Cyril Ramaphosa unomqinqinqi ekhanda lakhe angiqale ngobingelele ngikwamukele le channel eMaswiti Mana Production okubingelelayo umxolisi mfana kaDlomo makuthi uyaqala ufika le channel cela ukuthi wenze iqiniso lokuthi uko subscribe maqedwe bale video ushaw like bese ke uyakomenta kulolu daba lonamhlanje bafowethu nangu uDr. Mbuyiseni Ndlozi esho uqeda ngomnumzane Cyril Ramaphosa eParliament kwi-debate emnakeka ngazo zonke ethi cha kushuthi ke umnumzane Cyril Ramaphosa akaphilile kahle ekhanda udinga ukunikezwa indondo yokuthi ke akekho right ekhanda uyipsycho uqobolayo ngoba ke ethi nje ukhiphe izindlu ezo 1 million Alex uthi yena ku Ramaphosa ngokwakho ucabanga ukuthi ke lezo zindlu ezo 1 million uyikhiphe ngempela ngalokho ke uthi kushuthi ke lo muntu akekho right sidalo ekhanda miningi kakhulu imtalapha kaMphose yona ngicela nje ukuthi uyizwele ngawakho amadlebe.
Deputy President, when you spoke last Friday, Floyd Shibambo, you characterized the sitting president as being a candidate for an award in fiction, best fiction in literary sciences. But you see, it doesn't look like you were heard about what you were diagnosing. I think we must have to upgrade the diagnosis and borrow from the ideological toolkit of Frantz Fanon. We may be dealing with psychosis, whose symptoms are delusions, illusions, because Zakes Mda, when he writes DP, he knows that he's writing fiction. But our candidate tonight truly believes in the delusions that he gives us. 1 million houses in Alex. He believes that. It's a proper belief. And Fanon teaches us about cognitive dissonance. That when you tell such a person who suffers from these symptoms the truth, they hold on so much to their core belief, they become agitated, uncomfortable. If you tell him now that he's wearing a blue tie, he may tell you he's convinced that he's not even dressed. Just today, after being warned of delusions, he comes to this platform and says, unsafe toilets have been replaced in 92% of schools needing safe toilets. The remaining 280 schools are scheduled for completion within this financial year. But the report of the Basic Education Department titled Education Facility Management System Report, published 3 July 2024, says there are 1,770 pit toilets, schools with pit toilets. 280, 1,770. This is not a candidate of fiction. We have passed the stage of fiction and we are dealing with mental illness. That is why those who come here to defend him, that is why those who come to defend him.
Honorable Ndlozi.